Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn some amazing electric vehicles. Are you ready to have some fun?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, let's go. This is an electric bicycle.
This is an electric bicycle.
Amazing. This is electric moped.
This is electric moped.
This is electric rickshaw.
This is electric rickshaw.
This is electric car.
This is electric car.
This is electric bus.
This is electric bus.
This is electric airplane.
This is electric airplane.
Amazing. So, we have seen so many electric vehicles today. Which one do you like?
My favorite one was the electric car.
Amazing. So, thanks for learning with us, friends. See you tomorrow for more fun learning.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, friends.